We're going to do a brief video on American Airlines Stock Analysis, and American Airlines is up today 3%. It's trading at $14.14 on 32 million shares. 32 million is the average daily volume, and it's a little bit before 1 o'clock. And we've got a daily chart here for you of American. It's got a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. And as we can see, stock is up. It's hard to see here, but let's take a longer term picture. We had a severe sell-off on this stock into May of 2020. We got a rally above the 200-day and then broke back down below the 200-day around September of 2021. Have been in a bear market pretty much ever since, but the stock's not in a severe bear market. You can see a lot of this sell-off here down into its lows of May of 20 was from the pandemic, and it's recovered. I wouldn't say it's recovered nicely, but this stock looks like it may be putting in a bottom across here, oscillating back and forth around the $13 range. Currently, again, up. American Airlines up 3% today, up about 44 cents. So the question is this stock worth buying? And the answer is I have no idea, but let's take a quick look at it. The 200-day moving average is right here at $15. If we can get a close above that, we may be able to put the stock back in bull market territory. We would need the stock to close above the 200 and get the 20 and the 5-day moving averages above the 200 in order to get ourselves going, similar to what happened right here where the stock went from 13 to 25. So that's essentially what you're looking to happen. And the action on this stock is not really negative. It isn't a bear market, but it's not really negative. It has put in a slightly lower low right here from its previous lows or recent lows of 1165, but it has not challenged this spring 20 low of $8. It looks like $8 and let's call it just 8 to 8.75, and it hasn't challenged that, so that's a good sign. Let's take a look real quick on an hourly chart and see how it's holding up. This is an hourly chart of American Airlines, and it is oscillating like you would expect around a 200-hour moving average. Had a lot of stocks this morning we've looked at that are trading way down below their 200-hour moving average and have been doing so since August or early September. So this stock's essentially coming flat across here. And you can see we're getting above the 200-hour right today. Now, that's not the same implication as a daily, but it is important to get a sentiment of the stock by looking at the hourly chart. Let's take a weekly chart real quick and take a look. This stock from a weekly perspective, I would say to anybody who wants to take a look at this chart, that this chart shows that this stock's still in a bear market. There's no doubt about that. But the question is, has it put in a bottom that's going to hold in May of 2020? And the answer is I don't know. But I think we're probably going to rally up to the $17 level on this stock. It's not a huge amount of money, but it's currently, again, trading at $14 right now, $14.15. So I think this is probably a reasonably good range. This $17 range by December-ish, or the second week in December, is a reasonable range to look at this price on a weekly basis and say, hey, we could probably get there. Not that big of a deal. So let's go back to the daily chart real quick, and here is 15, let's call it 1575. Right here is about 17. So consistent with my earlier analysis, if we can get above the 200-day moving average, get the 5 and the 20-day moving averages under the price and above the 200-day moving average, then we're probably a good target for this stock is 1750 again by the end of November, early December. Let's take a look real quick and see what RBM Research says about it. We cover 190 stocks. We cover American Airlines, and this is 1, 5, and 20-day holds. And you can see for American, we do not have an entry price on here today. It just means that the algorithm didn't think it was a good day to buy. These are out for the 19th of October. Let's take a look at what the trend following says for this stock. And where are we? Right around here. American Airlines. This is a 30-day trend, if I can find it real quick. 30-day hold. This is trend following. The other ones are not trend following. This uses a sophisticated moving average system. You can see it's got the S&P 500 up here for a short. These are for the 19th of October. It comes out buy, flats, or shorts everything on here is either flat or short today, and American Airlines is coming up as flat, so there's no entry price. The way these work is you get in today, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea, hold for 30 days, close out a loss at the end of the 30-day period, or take your profits sooner if you can get them. And this is showing for American Airlines no entry price because it's flat. We have 190 plus of these every morning before 7 a.m. You can get them all for free, no credit card required at rbamresearch.com. In addition to the stocks, you can get the major forex pairs, entry prices for crypto, and entry prices for the futures contracts, the most liquid futures contracts in the world. Again, link in the description below. Go over to rbamresearch.com, put in your email address, and get immediate access. No credit card required, and it's free. If you like these videos, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use our information, including our entry prices or analysis, for anything other than entertainment, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you have a great comment, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below.